What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over Gala games. Currently, we're sitting at 0.0247. We're down 2.8 on the day. Sitting at market cap 684 million. 24-hour volume 45 million. So let's hop into the charts. We have a nice little falling wedge pattern. I do think Bitcoin will drop a little bit more before bouncing. So I think it's very likely that Gala'S could come down to the support of this wedge at 0.023, could trickle all the way down 0.0227, 0.0228 before bouncing up in a wave B. We do have a little bit of an inverse head and shoulders here, and then coming down in a wave C. So once we see that bounce, target zone in between 0.0294, 0.0337 in a wave B, three-wave move, and then come down in a wave C. That's what I'm looking at for Gala'S games. So if we pop over to the daily chart, what we're looking for is to come down, potentially retest 0.02276 again, maybe a little bit lower, and then bounce up in the wave B and come down in the wave C to complete the wave 2. Could take us down to the 78.6 at 0.0719. Currently we're in 2 Gala'S trades. As you can see, we hit TP3, almost TP4, not quite. We already locked in 80%. I'll continue to let this trade run. Stop loss is at the entry or just above the entry. And I don't think we'll get stopped out. We'll let it run up to TP4. We're in another Gala'S trade. I may give one more signal if we end up coming down to the 78.6 and we see a good reaction. You can get free access to my trade signals at the end of the video. And allow the RSI to come back down to oversold as we cross the 50 line. And when you cross the 50 line with the bearish divergence, higher likelihood you're going to come back down to oversold levels. So that's what I'm looking at for a Gala'S. Retest this support, potentially trickle down about 0.0228. Bounce back to the upside and B come down the way C. Of course, anything can happen. We can melt through the wedge and come straight down. We could shoot straight up. I'm just analyzing and telling you what I think is the probable scenario, and that's all we can do here on YouTube. All right, guys, that's it for this one. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, sign up to BTCC, no KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including for my US and Canadian traders who are dying for an exchange. Grab those bonuses. Send me email. I'll give you completely free access after you make your first deposit to my VIP rooms, which include my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups, crypto news, member profits, Forex signals, Forex analysis. We're in 3 crypto trades. We're in trades for US oil, gold, Euro, USD, British pound, USD. Trade Forex, trade crypto all in one place. So they sign up and deposit to BTCC. Otherwise, $10 a month. Sign up through the Patreon link. Smash up that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe if you're new. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.